What if I told you that beneath our feet lie sleeping giants, capable of reshaping the Earth in hours? And some are waking up. Earth's crust is broken into massive tectonic plates. Where they collide, pressure builds, and when it's released, the result can be catastrophic. Over 75% of all volcanoes sit along one deadly belt, the Pacific Ring of Fire. Let's look back at 3 of the most destructive eruptions ever recorded. Tambora exploded with unimaginable force, ejecting over 160 cubic kilometers of material. The skies darkened. Crops failed. The world called it the year without a summer. Krakatoa's blast was heard 3,000 miles away. It sent 35-meter tsunamis crashing into coastlines, and 2/3 of the island vanished. Mount St. Helens didn't just explode, it blew sideways. A pyroclastic surge flattened 230 square miles in minutes. In July 2025, a massive 8.8 earthquake struck Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. Just days later, 7 volcanoes erupted in a chain reaction, including Krasheninnikov, which hadn't erupted in over 600 years. Could the quake have triggered this volcanic outburst? Scientists say, absolutely possible. What makes a volcano erupt? It's all about pressure. Magma rises, gases expand, and when the crust can't hold it anymore, boom. The thicker the magma, the stronger the explosion. Around the world, ancient giants are stirring. Some show worrying signs of unrest. Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies one of the largest magma chambers on Earth. This supervolcano last erupted about 640,000 years ago. If it erupts again, it could eject over 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash, enough to cover most of North America. Lately, scientists have observed increased seismic swarms, ground uplift, and rising hydrothermal activity. These may not signal an imminent eruption, but they are reminders that Yellowstone is very much alive. Just outside Naples, Italy lies the Campi Flegrei caldera, an underground giant beneath a city of nearly 1 million people. Over the past decade, the ground has been rising steadily, a phenomenon called bradysism.
Gas emissions rich in carbon dioxide and sulfur have also increased, and hundreds of small earthquakes have rattled the region in recent years. Some volcanologists warn that Campi Flegrei could be approaching a critical point, one that could unleash catastrophic consequences. In southern Japan, Sakurajima is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. It erupts almost daily, but what concerns scientists is what's happening beneath it. Seismic studies show a massive magma reservoir under the Era caldera which has been accumulating pressure since its last catastrophic eruption in 1914. If a large quake were to hit the region, it could destabilize the system and lead to a major eruption.
Can earthquakes really awaken volcanoes? The answer is yes, if the magma is pressurized enough. The Kamchatka chain reaction may be proof of a global geologic connection. These giants aren't dead. They're asleep. But the Earth is shifting, and one tremor might be all it takes. Are we ready for the next global eruption? Subscribe for more earth-shaking stories and comment below, which volcano do you think will erupt next?